On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we will be traveling to Asakusa, Tokyo, specifically the famous Sensoji Temple. The area of Asakusa is amazing to explore, but we wanted to visit its main attraction, Sensoji Temple, which is Tokyo's oldest Buddhist temple. With over 1,000 years of history, Sensoji is considered one of the most photographed temples of Tokyo. Make sure to visit Nakamise shopping street, which is beside the temple, for amazing street food, souvenirs, and local favorites. You will be amazed at the beautiful colors of the temple as it displays an aura of red around you, and the smell of incense will take you back to a traditional Tokyo.
Okay, we just got off at Asakusa train station. We're gonna go to the temple, the famous temple around here. But first we have to walk through this like outside mall kind of thing behind me there. So we really gotta eat too. So
McDonald's.
Gonna try some different McDonald's stuff here. Is the menu different here? So they got a grand garlic pepper, grand bacon cheese, clubhouse,
Chicken.
teriyaki chicken, egg cheese beef. There's different ones here. Oh, look at the shrimp burger. McPork, teriyaki pork. I wonder what the Big Mac tastes like here. So we just got McDonald's. I got the teriyaki chicken.
I got spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken.
And some fries.
Do the fries taste the same?
They taste the same.
They're really crispy. Because sometimes you get them like soggy back. Oh, look at that. It's very saucy. Oh, wow. That's so good. I like it because I really like sauces. It's like drenched in sauce and like mayo. Teriyaki sauce. Gonna get my favorite soda, Calpis. Do you like it, babe? The coffee from the vending machine? Yeah. All right, so we made it to the entrance of the temple. Whoa, look at that.
Beautiful. That girl's on a leash. That used to be me when I was little.
Oh, really? You were always on a leash?
Always.
Very touristy here. Is it? Should we just like throw our money in there and you can pray? And then we just, Eileen and I each just got a candle and we put it up there for our loved ones that passed away. We're just coming up to the end of our temple visit. Where? Oh, Those look good too. Like look, 900 here for a ramen.
Patrick's peeing. That's the video. That's it. Bye.
Last shot of the temple there from this angle. Now the colors are coming out nice in it.
Nakamise is a traditional shopping street located beside Sensoji Temple, and it is one of Tokyo's most visited destinations. With a history of several centuries, here you will find local favorites like street food, snacks, traditional souvenir shops, arts, crafts, clothing, and much more. I would recommend trying a delicious sweet bread called melonpan, filled with a tasty vanilla ice cream. Be prepared to be around many foreign and Japanese tourists, as this is one of the best attractions of Asakusa. Visit Sensoji Temple and Nakamise if you are looking for a more old-school Tokyo by seeing one of Japan's oldest shopping streets and temple.
Alright, so we're just leaving. That's the front of the temple. We're leaving now. And then just right, I guess in front of her, beside it, there's gonna be like souvenir shops and street food, and we'll just go check out this this little street here. This is definitely so touristy prices here, eh? I couldn't resist. I had to get myself that cat shirt right there. It's like $12. It's awesome.
Sensoji.